So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Panera Bread app. So first, download the app. Once you've downloaded the Panera Bread app, the first thing that should pop up is whether or not you want notifications. It's always better to have your post notifications on. This way you can always be updated about your order. Now that you've enabled your notifications, what's going to appear is an advertisement about My Panera Bread Week. My Panera Bread Week is where you can have endless coffee and more if you join the Unlimited Sip Club. But here's the catch. The deal is this week only. Okay, so we've made it to the homepage and there's a couple of different things displayed here. Join My Panera and the deal we just talked about. And now if you watch any of my videos, then you know I always recommend creating an account. This way you won't have to keep putting in the same information every time you want to place an order. Click Join My Panera. Go ahead and enter in your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. And then create your password. Because you just created an account, Panera Bread is offering you a free delivery as your first reward for creating an account. One of the coolest features that Panera has to offer is My Panera MasterCard. With the MasterCard, you can add it to your Apple Wallet. Adding your card to your Apple Wallet will make showing your rewards a lot easier to see. Since you've created an account, your home screen will look a little different. So at the top, the name that you gave when you created an account will be shown, and the rewards and offers that you've been given will be there too. When starting your order, Panera basically grouped the menu into 3 groups. First, you have dinner is served, which are your soups. Then you have your sandwiches, and the one that they have advertised here is the Chipotle chicken avocado melt. And last but not least, you have your salads. Then, click Start New Order. Now, when you click Start New Order, there are a couple of different ways to do this. You have rapid pickup, delivery, dine-in, and group ordering and catering. But for this order, I'm gonna select rapid pickup. Go ahead and enable your location. This way, it's easier to select the location. To select the location, go ahead and add in your city or zip code. Since I'm going to pick up my food, I'm going to select the closest location to me. I've chosen the location and the way I want to pick it up, but I still need to pick out a time. So with ASAP, once I've placed an order, in about 5 to 10 minutes after checkout, your order should be ready. If everything looks good, hit continue. So here's the menu. You have your recents and favorites, sandwiches, soups and mac, salads, and your pizzas. I actually didn't even know that Panera sold pizza. So let's see what kind of pizzas they have. Okay, so all their pizzas are flatbreads, but then you have your regulars like pepperoni and cheese. And if you scroll a little further, you'll see their pizza family bundle. Panera really does have a lot of options to choose from, but I've heard that Panera is known for their sandwiches, so that's what I'll go with. It looks like they got a whole lot of variety to choose from. The first few look like they are chicken options that you can choose from. Then if you scroll a little further down, you have the toasted baguettes as well. Panera also has a signature take on the chicken sandwich as well. I wonder how that compares to the Chick-fil-A's chicken sandwich though. But for this order, I'm going to go with the toasted turkey and avocado BLT. So just looking at the lower half, you can customize the sandwich and your sides as well. If everything looks good, then go ahead and add it to your bag. Now that you've added everything to your bag, the app will ask you if you would like to add a drink as well. If you don't want to add a drink, then go ahead and click the X button. Click the bag icon to review the final details of your order. So I'm just glancing at all of my information to make sure that it's correct. I definitely want utensils, so I'm also going to add those here. It's also good to have updates about your order as well. And I'll round up to donate. So if everything looks good, hit continue and add it to your payment method. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Download the Panera Bread app, available on the App Store or Google Play.